Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery, and right here in the top search find app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button. Now install this app. When it's ready, click on the open. Allow to browse all files for the app, and we can go back. Now when you've entered the app, it's ready and you can begin extracting or packing your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.